Hey y'all, now your girl Asharifia all in one this. Come on, make we cook and chop la. Today on the menu, we are going to be making banana pudding. A very rich banana pudding. Not just any old regular banana pudding. This pudding here will make you bite your tongue and lick your fingers. So, we have our bananas, cold milk, cream cheese at room temperature, whipped cream, condensed milk, pudding mix, vanilla wafers whole, and crushed vanilla wafers, whichever one you prefer. But for this video, we are going to be using both. So let's get started. I have 3 cups of milk here. My box says 2, but I'm using 3. I'm using 3 cups of milk because I want it to be light. I want my pudding to be light due to the cream cheese, whipped cream, and condensed milk that I'm going to add. I don't want it to be too thick, but light enough so the wafers can soak up some juice too. Using a hand mixer, I am going to whisk in my pudding mix. Just like so. This is perfect. Not too thick, but runny enough. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and move on to the next step. I'm going to prep my banana. No special way to cut a banana, whichever way you prefer. You might want to chop finely so there'll be no big bites, but I love big bites, so I'm going to chop it this way. You can use as much as you want. I love bananas, so I'm going to use quite a few. We're going to go ahead and start with our cream cheese, condensed milk, and whipped cream mix. When the cream cheese is at room temperature, it's much easier to work with. I can add my condensed milk now, but I'm going to whisk my cream cheese a little bit before adding the condensed milk. I'm just adding my condensed milk all in one shot. It gives it a very unique taste. Your banana pudding is not going to be tasting like just pudding, you know? Just mix it till you get like a nice fluffy texture. I'm turning the bowl to get all the corners because it's a hand mixer, so you know it easily just like so. Nice and fluffy. You can overmix the cream cheese and the condensed milk and there will be no harm done there, but you cannot overmix with the pudding, just like so. Just like so, nice and fluffy. We are gonna go ahead and marry our pudding and this mix, our cream cheese mix. We are not gonna use the hand mixer here because we don't want to over mix it. So with the spatula, we are just going to turn and turn till we get a nice, till everything is thoroughly mixed together. Just like so. Now, I'm going to be making a big batch with the whole wafers. I'm just making a layer of the wafers, then put in some of the pudding mix. Make sure you get into every corner. I'm gonna put a layer of the bananas. You can put more than a layer if you wish, but with this video, I'm just putting a layer. Then I'm topping it. That looks good already. I'm just lining the side of the dish with some wafers. So when you scoop the pudding, you get wafers, everything. You notice I'm not putting too much wafers because I don't want it to be too dry. So here I'm just showing how you can make small batches with the crushed wafers. So I just lined my glass with a crushed wafer, a pudding, and banana. Another layer of the crushed wafers. Trying to get it to the side. Another layer of the pudding. It looks so good. I can't wait to take a bite. And there you go, the finished product. Don't that look beautiful? Banana pudding, y'all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit that bell for all new videos. We finished cocoa. Now come make we chop now.